Hello, people. In this chapter, we'll be discussing text alignment in Microsoft Word. There are four different types of paragraph alignments available in Word. We have the left align, the center align, right align, and then the justify. You should take note that anytime you hover your cursor above them, you would see a brief description of what they do together with the shortcut for using them. So as you can see, the shortcut for left alignment is Ctrl plus L. The shortcut for center is Ctrl E. The shortcut for right align is Ctrl R, and the same thing goes to justify, which is Ctrl J. So now let's talk about how we can use these guys. Let me actually get a drawing tool here. Yeah, so we'll be talking about these guys today. In today's lesson. So by default, anytime you open your new document, the document is always in left align. This is a very examinable question. I think I met it one time in my exam. So anytime you open a new Word document, the document is always in left align. So kindly take note of that. Now, what left align does is this: it simply moves the whole paragraph or the whole text closer to the left margin. There's a margin here, there's an invisible margin here, we have another margin here, we have our left margin here and our right margin here. So when you click on a paragraph and try to make it left align, it simply takes it to the left side of the margin, or takes it closer to the left margin. When you choose right align, it does the opposite. So let's see how right align does it. So you can see that there is a very straight line here, but however here the lines are not really that straight. We have this, we have this, we have that, we have that. So that shows that our paragraph is left aligned. So this is the differences. Now let's clear this. Okay, let's clear all this and let's make our paragraph right align. So when we take it to right align, you can see the differences now. The paragraph, this side becomes an equal, and this side is a bit equalized to the right margin. The same thing applies to center align. So for center align, it gives the document a formal appearances. Usually center align is used for the the title of documents. Justify will try to make everything balanced in both sides of the document. The margin is going to balance it both at the right hand side of the margin and also at the left hand side of the margin. Equally, you could just decide to align just a single paragraph like this, like that, like that, like that. You could decide to align a single line. You could use the left align, you could use the center align, you could use the right align, or you could use the justify. So these are the various ways of aligning text, either to the left, to the right, to the middle, and to the center. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this lecture. The next time we meet, I think we'll be talking about the indent. We'll be talking about these guys over here. I'll tell you how we use these guys, and hopefully we'll come to the bulletin and then we'll see how we can develop. So see you in the next tutorial.